This looks like a good place to start lucky treasure hunting. Let's give old Bloony a flip and see what happens. Come on, Bloony. Bring us luck. Help us find the treasure of Queen Hippolyta. Oh, a soprano bird.
Wow, that was beautiful.
And look what Miss Soprano Bird's built a nest on. What luck! Bloony wants us to follow the trail. Let's go!
Oh, so's the coin led him to the bird, and the bird told him to take the trail.
As if a silly bird would know anything. This is all that blasted coin's fault.
Uh-oh! Dead end! Dead ahead!
Well, mateys, it looks like we're going to have to climb over it.
But it doesn't look very safe. We better think of something else.
I know. Let's flip Bloony. Ah! Oops. Where'd it go?
You don't know your own coin flipping strength. I'll get it. Huh? Whoa!
Take cover, mateys!
Thanks for the good luck, Bloony.
Must that blasted coin lead those pests? Ow! Blasted coin!